Lot number 45B confirmed. Quality check initiated.
This batch looks excellent, very fresh.
All systems operating at optimal levels. Quality and safety standards met.
Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, we process raw materials like wheat, cocoa, and fresh vegetables with unmatched precision and speed.
Mixing cycle complete. All systems stable. Ready for transfer.
Check the temperature on exchanger C. It's fluctuating slightly.
Ramping it up now should stabilize the flow.
Here, precision meets perfection. The gentle flow of air cools the chocolate.
All systems operating within optimal parameters. Maintain temperature at 18 degrees Celsius. Slicing through rich, dark chocolate with surgical precision. This is the art of automated perfection. Quality control check initiated. All systems operating within optimal parameters.
zoom in on sector Gamma 7. The algorithm flagged a microfracture.
Confirmed. Rerouting to manual inspection Bay 4.
The algorithm flagged a stress fracture on Unit 7. We need to reroute it for secondary analysis immediately.
The AI flagged a microfracture on Unit 7.
Reroute it for secondary inspection immediately.
The coating thickness is stable at 5 nanometers.
Acknowledged. We are clear for the polishing sequence.
The coating on this batch is exactly 10 nanometers.
Verified. The polish is flawless.
This one looks flawless.
Scanner confirms precise application. Ready for transfer.
The alignment tolerance is holding steady across all axes.
Good.
Sensor readings are stable at 400 degrees.
Acknowledged. Proceed to Phase 2 alignment.
The throughput on line 3 is up by 10%.
Good. Maintain current parameters.
The temperature sensors are secured.
Okay, initiating the humidity check now.
Readings look stable on the tablet.
The temperature sensors are calibrated.
Good. Let's initiate the pressure test sequence.
Chamber initiating sequence.
Temperature delta is within tolerance, pressure holding steady at 150 psi.
Data looks good. Proceeding with the first test cycle.
The climate-controlled chamber ensures a flawless surface treatment as the robotic arm applies the protective coating before final labeling.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before engaging the servos.
It's calibrated. Ready for the paint cycle.
Sequence start confirmed. Proceeding to coating station.
Check the viscosity settings on the main panel now. Plating looks good on batch 42.
Agreed. Moving to the printing station.
The plating application is complete.
Moving to the print station now. Alignment looks good.
Length is exactly 150 millimeters.
Noted. Width is 52.
The scan data is clear. Length is 150.2 millimeters.
Recording that now. The width is stable. Moving to metal detection.
Packaging 4RB is cleared for scanning.
Dimensions checked. Passing to metal detection.
Dimensions are within tolerance.
Metal detection is clear on batch 42.
The caliper reading is 150.2 millimeters.
Noted. Scan results are clear.
Check the monitor readings for the last pallet.
All green. We are ready for transport.
enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing factory tours and manufacturing documentaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.